Okay, I'm just making sure this thing's on because I just redid my whole PC. But hi guys. So I have time to do a little quick tutorial on one nail for this design. If you guys are able to see. Whoa, hold on. Well, you know what? Picture or whatever. There you go. I posted it yesterday, but I'll put a picture associated on this post too. But so many of you guys requested a tutorial on it, and I figured I'd do it on just, you know, one nail right now. So I took a peely off and gonna save that and put that in a baggie. And I just thought I would go ahead and do it. So let's get started here. Again, I just restarted my computer stuff, so I'm a streamer on Twitch, so been for 4 years, so my stuff's kind of let me fix the focusing here. I'm trying to get everything situated because I've been on a hiatus for about 3 months, so all of that stuff's being a little configured and everything, so just give me a moment here. Ooh, snazzy. Okay, awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna do it on here. I already put on, of course, peel off base coat. Yes, this one's chipping, unfortunately. I do a lot of stuff with my right hand, so I do data entry at work all day, so I'm a criminal background screener, so I always type all the damn time. So I already put this on for my base coat. And then for the base color, for the bright colors, I put on this Sally Hansen Hard as Nails white. All the words are reversed. I do apologize. Very opaque. I'm a cheap, excuse my language. I'm a cheap bitch. So if it works for me and it's cheap, I'm fine with it. I'm not picky. And then I put a top coat on here, a quick dry top coat, which is the Nail Aid. It says Sapphire Strength Mega Growth. It's worked for my nails for numerous years. I know Christine doesn't, says not to do strengtheners or anything like that, but for my nails personally, it has helped me grow my nails, helped me stop biting my nails for numerous years, and yeah, it just works for me. I tried not using it for a while, and then I encountered many problems with my nails. So as you can see, this one's kind of shorter right now. This one's peeling a little bit, but, we're going to make do. So what we're going to do is the gradient first is this with the sponge. I get the smaller sponges if my nails are shorter. My nails are usually longer than this, but I cut them down. Hi, buddy. Sorry, my husky dog is just kind of right there. So hi, say hi, buddy. Okay, anyways. So do a little sponge thing. I use smaller sponges when my nails are shorter. For the colors, I am using, again, Sally Hansen Hard as Nail. Oh gosh, that's the corgi and the husky fighting. Oh god. Well, they're playing, but so Sally Hansen Hard as Nails, called No Hard Feelings. Wonderful shade. And then the Orly, I got from Sally's. This is it's not completely opaque, but it's fantastic. And this is the Skinny Dip color. And then I got this from Sally's as well. It's called Bitsy. They're small little nail polish bottles, but they have a lot of neons. And this one's called Spring Fling. Well, I'll tell you, I didn't have any of those. So, what we're going to do, again, I already put on the peel off base coat, put on the white, and then put on a fast dry top coat. This is considered a top coat as well, according to the package and stuff. That you can use it as base coat or top coat, and it dries hella fucking fast. So excuse my language, sorry. So I use purple, blue, green. So what we're gonna do is just get that going. And for my nails, everyone's nails are gonna be different. So it depends on how thin, how thick, all of that stuff for your nails. So I usually do 2 coats of the gradient. That usually works out for me, but you could do more, obviously. I mean, none of you guys on here are like really beginners or anything. Everyone I see on this group are fantastic, so Kudos to all of you guys for being fantastic and sharing your awesome, beautiful work, by the way. A little much. My bad. My B. That off a little bit. I like to kind of go over it twice sometimes because, you know, the sponge soaks it up pretty quick, so. Alright, so let's go ahead and just do this thing. And I don't put on a, I don't have any liquid latex right now, so I'm just kind of going with this right now. So yeah, you can see one coat's pretty good, but I like to do two. Anyways, I use Q-tips just to clean up. It's very quick and easy and stuff. I want to get the good liquid latex, but it's a little bit expensive. So I'm just kind of waiting a bit. I have other stuff that I am paying for. Alright, so again. We go, woo! Now my camera is, I have the camera light on obviously, but so everything's a little bit brighter. There's two ways to do the black and white design. There's two ways you can do it, but either way you do need hairspray. Hairspray. Sorry, I have a little section. I do stream my nail art stuff when I am on Twitch and stuff, like every Friday. It's like a chillaxing, you know, happy Friday, end of the week stuff type thing. My viewers love it, and it's been a thing going on. It's great, but I'm not doing any shameless plugins. I haven't even mentioned my channel, so there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead, before we do the designs, I'm gonna go ahead and seal it with a quick dry top coat real quick. You gotta wrap the tip, cause you know what they say in sex ed. You. Sorry. I'm trying to not let my personality take over the tutorial, so I apologize. As I said, I'm a streamer, so it happens. So again, there's two ways to do this. You can use a stamper, or you can dip your finger in the water. So I'm gonna go ahead and prop this up a little bit so you could see a little bit. Let's see if I have anything. You know what? I should have thought this shit through. I'm just damn casual today. You guys could see that. That's good. Okay. Cool beans. Cool beans. And you can see just my dog just going to town. Alright. So, so what we're going to do next is we're going to do the black first. So what you're going to do, I am using Sally Hansen Insta Dry in black to black. Wow. Wow. Okay. All right. So you're going to put a drop in. You're going to make sure you get a good drop. Let that kind of spread a little bit, and then you're going to take some hairspray. Go like this, and it's going to do that effect. Now again, you could do this one of two ways. You can use the stamper and do it, or you can just, you know, just dip your finger in there and go to town like that. See? Easy. Easy, quick, simple. And if you want more, just go ahead and just, you know, keep dunking and whatever designs you want to do. See? And then I just take a Q-tip and, you know, just kind of clean it up a little bit. And then that's it for that. And then we're gonna go ahead and do white. I just like to dip it in because stamping, you know, takes a little bit longer, but only by like a few seconds. That's not that bad, but. And the white, again, wait for it to kind of spread. The white I have isn't perfect, so if it comes out like this, don't worry. It happens. Don't feel like you're doing something wrong. Okay? You're not doing anything wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and take another white. It depends. Not all polishes are going to be, you know, as... What's the fucking word I'm looking for? There we go. See? Now this white works good. So I'm going to go ahead, dip my finger. Do that. Oh yeah. It's a lighter white than these. So I'm gonna go ahead and mulligan. I'm gonna try the other white again. It was working fine for me yesterday, but like I said, depending on the type of polishes, the consistency of them, it will depend on water marbling or anything like that. There we go. See? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And then just go ahead and dip your finger in. Pull it out, and when you pull it out, make sure you don't have the big chunks coming up on your nail. If you're afraid of that, just leave it in there, and then just kind of clean it up. Hey! I know you guys like playing, but my God. My God. Okay. And then, that's how you get it. That's how you do it. Just let the water, let it dry a little bit. Make sure you ain't got, you know, especially if you don't use liquid latex like I am right now, which I don't find is a big deal right now. Like I said, I ran out, so there you go. And then just use a Q-tip, clean up, and you're good to go. Put a top coat on. I put scattered on the nails, but you can't really tell. But yeah, that's how I did this one. I also did a tutorial on my marble nails, which I know many of you really liked. If you guys want me to do more, let me know. I actually have a collage of nail art that I did that I will post in the comments of this post. And if there's anything you guys want me to do from what you see in the picture, let me know. I'll be more than happy to, since I do on my my streaming anyways for my viewers. And yeah, much love to all of you guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for taking the time, and much love, guys. Stay kind to one another. Keep doing your nail art. And if it's, does the effect like for me, like it does for you or anything like that with anxiety, it helps. So yeah, much love, guys.